Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to create a shortcut to a file on an Android home screen. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to get notified for our future video. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So the phone I'm using right now is Samsung, so let's go with it. So go to your file manager or my files. Mine's over here, as you guys can see, my files. And on my files, go to your SD card or like to whichever file you want to add on your shortcut. So I'm gonna add my DCMI in a shortcut, so I'm gonna hold DCMI, and once this tick appears, I'm gonna click on the three dot which is at the top right corner right beside delete. Click on it, and there's a add shortcut button right below rename, right? Click on add shortcut. Now where do you want to add the shortcut? So I'm gonna add it on home screen, so I'm gonna click on home screen, and the shortcut has been added on my home screen. So let's go to check it out. So as you guys can see in my home screen right beside X Recorder, there is the DCMI folder. I can just click on it and it's gonna take me straight over here without the hassle of just going through all these stuff. So yeah, that's basically how you create a shortcut to a file on Android home screen. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.